Hey there. So I got someone asking me this question, a little while ago that how many projects do you need to apply, for a blockchain job? So there is no number of projects that you need to achieve in terms of quantity, okay? But in quality, you are recommended to have at least anything from three sound project, if it's from our opinion, anything from three sound project, and this sound project must there must be quality based. They must show your experience or your expertise on your ability to handle blockchain related challenge. So for example, you must have it must showcase your ability to handle the token standard. So all these ERC 720, ERC 20 tokens, ERC 721 tokens, and etc. Okay, so you need to be able to show your expertise on using this sort of standards to perform some decentralized application, stuffs. You must be able to understand how to really handle money stuff, you understand, in the development of the smart contract. So I will actually recommend that you focus your attention in building things that has to do with money. Because this is why I'm saying this thing, because the blockchain, the secrets that most people don't understand about the blockchain is that it's a language of money. So if you're coming into this space, the only reason why you're coming to this space is because what you're going to be doing in this space will have one thing or the other to do with money transaction, handling of money. So whatever project that you're showcasing your skills should show how money is being transacted. Should show things such as being able to handle single payment, batch payment, you understand, those sort of activities, how to handle refund. So all of those intricate details should be captured in your in those projects that you're going to build. Okay, things like issuing out tokens. Okay, things like issuing out tokens, the ERC 720, ERC 20 token and ERC 721 token. Those are very important. That is NFT and just the regular, token. You should know how to handle those, distribute an application around those sort of things, and your solidity should be on point. Okay, so your solidity skill should be great. You should be able to do test during development. You should be able to test out this smart contract, because what you're going to be putting out there cannot be reversed. So if you are putting out a smart contract on the blockchain, you know that you can't just pull it down, there's an emergency and we got a bug on the code, you don't have time for all those sort of things. That's why you have to be very careful and to make sure that the smart contract is well audited. So this kind of takes a pretty good set of skills and attention for you to get to this extent. Okay. So those are the things that I'm going to recommend for you. Okay. Also do some contribution, to, if it is an open source, project, do some contribution to that. Show your versatility or your expertise in the field, in the space. So you got to do stuff that contributes to the growth of projects, growth of teams. And also it's not only about the number of projects that you have to issue out, the quality and all of that. You should be able to document these projects very well. Okay, you need to document this project very well. That means when other people try to test out this project, it may be a recruiter, you don't know. So you need to be able to fashion it in a way, use your readme.md, and make sure that it has a straightforward instruction on how to replicate or how to run or clone that project and run it on another computer. So you need to know that. Okay, you need to have a pretty good portfolio to, other than your Git repository, adding up a very nice portfolio that showcases all this your project. It's pretty good of an advantage, and it increases your chances of landing that blockchain job. You understand what I mean? So you need to position yourself using all these various tools, technicality, clinicalities, and all of that. And also, as you make sure that your portfolio is on point, your Git repo is on point, your social spaces such as your LinkedIn is on point, okay, reflecting all of your trades across all of these platforms. You need to also do some job hunting, submit some proposal, make sure your resume is on point, okay? Submit your resumes. There are Facebook groups where they have all these blockchain, jobs often, published. You can hook up to that, you can create a freelance account and just showcase, just fill it up, make sure that it has a very good details about what you do and all that. Some of your clients are going to come through that means, and some is going to be like a real employment for a company or something that you have a monthly allowance or stuff like that. So, but you just need to be prepared all around. Please take note again that this thing has to do with you setting yourself up, learning the right things and the things that are so much important, which since blockchain is a language of money, a technology of money, what your projects, they need to be centered around how smart and how good you are in handling monetary based payment, single payment, batch payment, issuing out of tokens, and how secure your application really is. So those are the things that you need to put into perspective as you prepare yourself and position yourself to land your first or second or third blockchain job. All right, that is it. Please make sure you hit like and subscribe this button, hit the notification bell, and so that you won't miss out anything that is coming on the channel. And don't forget to check out the description section. We have courses there, and check out our website. We have courses, we have services, we have so many kinds of things that you would like to be involved in. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.